Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and y'all, I am not live tonight, but I'm doing a premiere. So I don't know if y'all know what a premiere is. Some of you do, some of you don't. This is a video that I recorded, and I started it at 7 p.m. Central Time, like I usually do my Friday Night Gab. But when you make it a premiere, it allows people to chat under the video as if we are live, except that I'm not live. So we can say hello to each other in the chat. And then when the video is done, then you can also, well, anytime you can comment on the regular video as well. So if you go down and you just scroll a little bit to you pull to your left a little bit, then you'll see the live chat. So that will last as long as the video is long. So if the video is 5 or 10 or 15 minutes, it'll last that long. So you can go back and read what people say after. It takes a little time after it's done processing, I think, because on a live it does. On a live it takes like overnight, but I'm not sure on a premiere. I've done a few of them, but I can't remember. So anyway, I just want to tell you that because you can talk to me live right now. How I will talk to you is in the comments. I'll say hello. All of a sudden there's something in my eye. You know me, something in my eye. So I just want to tell you about that because I think it's sort of fun to do something a little different. So I do want to ask y'all to please comment now, comment in the live portion and then comment on the regular video, if you will. And then also give me a thumbs up, if you will, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So did I welcome you? Did I welcome you? It's Friday Night Gab. I just want to do something a little bit different tonight. And how has your week been? It's been a good week here. I've got the end of the month and the beginning of the month, that kind of thing. So busy at work, and the weather has been nice. We were supposed to have rain and storms all week, but we really didn't. We have some today. Today we had some. We had some maybe Monday night into Tuesday. It wasn't bad at all, like they thought it would be. But I know some parts of the country had terrible, terrible weather. So I hope everybody is safe and sound. And I hope that your weather cooperates where you are. Now, I do believe now we won't have any more frosts, and now it's going to be summer here. So it's been in the 80s this week. And my air conditioning's on at work, it's on at home, it's on in the car, that kind of thing. So it is summer, and it will be this way for quite a while, for months. So I hope that y'all are safe and sound wherever you live. And let's see what else I've got to talk to y'all about. Did y'all do your Boxycharm choice? Last month I I signed on for the Beauty Boost, which is $15 additional. And I got this. I've been watching the Beauty Boost for a while, but I never really wanted to. I just, it's another $15 and things I don't need, even though I like them, But when this came available, and this is, I don't remember the original price, 50-ish, $45, $50, $42, $52, I can't remember. I decided to get it. So I am wearing this tonight. This is the Tarte Man-Eater. This is the After Dark. Camille just sat down here. So I have this on. I love this palette. I do swatch it one day this week. If I remember, I'll put the video below so you can see it if you haven't seen it yet, because these colors are stunning. And that is what I have on. And hello, Camille. And then on my lips, I decided to wear the Buxom Plump Shots. I got this also in Boxy. And this is Dolly Babe is the name. And it's pretty. It stings. And I don't really care for that. It's supposed to make your lips look bigger. But I forgot, what I was telling you about was the Beauty Boost. So if you did your choice, if you get Boxycharm, then Boxycharm chooses 2 things for you. You choose 3 things. And then on the Beauty Boost, you're allowed to choose now. See, when they originally started that, it's been a little while. I don't know if it's been 2 years or something like that, maybe a year and a half. They would just give you a product, and it's always a good value, a really good value. And now, I don't know how long it's been going on, but you can choose. So they gave me 6 items to choose from, which I guess we all get the same choice. And the items, my goodness. I was gonna cancel, but I thought, well, let me just try it one more month and see. And I'm so glad I stayed because every item in there is bougie expensive. So no matter what you picked, you'd be happy. So anyway, I'll, you know, when I get it, I'll tell you more about it at that time. So Camille is sitting on my notes. So like I said, how's everybody's week been? And do y'all have any big plans over the weekend? It is the beginning of May. I can't believe it, y'all. The beginning of May. I don't know how time flies this fast. Oh, I was gonna bring you over, hang on a minute. So on my Stitch Fix, I kept this blouse. I love it. I've already worn it. And I kept this blouse. Now, this one has the lining and it is wintry. I really won't be able to wear this until maybe there might be a cool day in there, but I liked this front was a little bit different. So I kept those two, and that's what I kept this time. And some of the others, I just didn't care for them. So it wasn't a 5 for 5 for me, but I told you all I'd let you know. I'm also gonna tell you the winner of a hidden treasure that I had. I have hit 3,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. It's really an incredible feeling to grow. And it's nice. It's nice. You know, that's, you know, we'd like to, if you have, I know you all have your creators that you love, and we like to grow. So I will be having a giveaway for that sometime soon. Not sure when. So, but keep your eyes peeled for that. So I have a winner, and the video was my Goldieboxed. In my Goldieboxed video, I do a giveaway, and you had to watch the whole video to know about it. So there you go on that. The winner is, her name is Makeup by Jen, and it's make_up_by_Jen. And then her name is Jennifer, and she does have a last name, but I won't say it on here. But that's who won. So, and I'll put her picture at the end. So Jen, get with me. Jen's never won on my channel before, so I don't know where you live or what your address is or anything. So let me know, and I'll get your goodies out to you as soon as I can. And I have my Temu Spring Collab ends tomorrow. And there are 8 channels in that. And if you had a chance to watch everybody, I hope you did. I hope you were able to comment on everybody's videos and subscribe publicly to everybody. And I'm excited about it because we just had a lot of fun, and y'all seem to really enjoy it. So of course I'm in it. And then Carol Gardner, Reviews with Sue, Jessie Miller, Unboxings and More, Miss Jackie Russell, Favorites with Laura, Nona's here, and Tea Time Adventures. And we all are ending our videos, our giveaways tomorrow at some time. You have to listen to everybody's video to know what time. Mine is, I think I made mine like in the evening, 5 p.m. because I wasn't sure if I'd have to work. So I don't know when that video will come out with the winner. Give me a few days, just to be safe, okay? And I had so much fun with that group of ladies. And then I've got a few collabs, like 3 collabs coming up in the next few months. So, and I have so much fun with everybody in these collabs. We just have a good time. My treasure trove is always going on. And you know, you never know when there's a hidden treasure somewhere, never know. And I'm looking at my list of things, and that might be it, y'all. That might be it. So Camille is laying here. I wish you all could see her because she just is laying nicely. This is, you know, she doesn't do this often except when I'm filming. But I think that's about it, y'all. So like I said, if you are watching this in the premiere, please chat below. And if you can, go on the regular video and say something also. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, y'all. And subscribe and tell your family and friends about me if you enjoy my channel. I enjoy my channel. I really do. I love visiting with y'all. I know, oh, that's another thing. I am way behind on comment. Oh, that's another 2 things. I'm way behind on comments. I know it. And I got caught up a couple weeks ago. It's like that, it happens, you get behind. Well, I commented a bunch the other day, and then I went back in and was gonna comment last night, and I answered, you know, I'm reading things, I'm like, that sounds familiar. and I look at who sent it. I'm like, wait a second, I already talked to so-and-so about that. So I don't know what's happening, but I also had a couple subscribers tell me that they had commented and then their comments were gone. So please, if you did comment, if you can take the time to make sure your comments are still there on all the videos so that you don't lose out on, you know, being picked for the collabs that are out there right now, because YouTube does crazy things sometimes, and you know, that's not the fault. Please don't blame us creators. We don't do this to you. It's lovely YouTube. So I can go on and on about that, but y'all, so just make sure that you're subscribed and that your comments are there. And I know my collab's going on also. There's another collab that's ending tomorrow. It's the delicious, delightful, delicious, I don't remember all the words, but it's the snack collab, and that should be a lot of fun. And also I have, on Monday, I'm doing a Mask Monday with my good Mask Monday lady friends, Christine from Life with Christine, Tea Time Adventures, and Erlene S. And we're gonna do a mask that Christine sent to all of us, and we're gonna do some questions, and we're gonna do mask giveaway. So check that out, y'all. And I'm gonna get off of here now because it's getting too long. So I love y'all. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Stay safe. Count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.